Hmm. Any answer, Rishita?
1 second, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the third one, lithium.
Yeah, it is. So how did you solve it? First, you have calculated number of moles, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you are going for number of moles, given mass 1 upon molar mass, that is magnesium 1 by 24. For O2, if you are going to see, it will be 1 by 32. And for lithium, you can see it is 1 by 7. And for this, it will be 108. After calculating number of moles, you are going to calculate the number of molecules. That means you are going to multiply every number of moles with Na. Na. And if you want to calculate, just sorry, if you want to calculate number of atoms, how many number of atoms you are seeing here? Only one, so you are going to multiply it by 1. O2, you are going to multiply it by 2. Lithium, you are going to multiply it by 1. And this is also 1. So this is actually the total number of atoms for different elements or molecules. And you can easily calculate with only after only calculating the number of moles, the one which has maximum number of moles, you can see this. Since given mass is 1 and molar mass or atomic mass is increasing decreasing accordingly, you know that if the denominator is greater, the overall value will be smaller, right?
Yes, sir.
So in this way you can calculate this, which is very easy. Okay, I'm going to give you another question, which is also very easy. So the question that I had given you, that is from EYQs, previous years of NEET 2020. Please go for this question.
So what does the last option mean?
Last option is basically that is given the volume of water at STP 1 atm and temperature 0 degree centigrade. So when we used basically you know number of moles have three formulas: given mass upon molar mass. The another formula is number of moles is equal to given number of particle upon Avogadro number, and another formula is given volume upon molar volume, that is your 22.4 liter. So this volume is used at STP 1 atm and 273 Kelvin. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So you can use this formula directly in this, but you cannot use the formula directly in this as it hasn't been said anything about the condition. So you are going to change this you are going to change this volume into mass. How? You know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass will be equal to density into volume. And you know what is the density of water? Density of water is 1 gram per ml, or you can use 1 liter, sorry, 1 kg per liter. So 1 gram per ml into volume is 18 ml. Ml and ml will be cancelled and you will be getting the mass as 18 gram given mass. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think the answer in this case will be what? What do you think? Maximum number of molecules. You can see 18 grams. So you are going to calculate the number of moles given mass upon molar mass of water, that is 18. So 1 mole. If you are going to calculate number of moles here, given mass 0.18 and molar mass 18. So what it will be 10 raised to the power minus 2 moles. And here it has been directly said 10 raised to the power minus 3 moles. And if you are going to calculate this, since we can use directly this formula, so given mass given volume 0.00224 upon 22.4 liter, so you can see the maximum number of moles you are getting of A. That's why the answer is A.
Okay, sir.
Please do write it and let me know.
Sir, I wrote.
Okay, the next question is similar to this again, and that is your again the similar question. So always keep this. This is a very good question about the concept. How when you are going to use the number of formula of number of moles or if volume is given. Very important concept. And from the next class, I will be telling you in this class uh, which topics you are going to prepare so that it will be easy for you as well after preparing and solving the question. Please do this question.
Sir, the last one, 18 moles of water. So you're muted.
Any answer?
So for the fifth one or the ninth one?
Fifth one, ninth one.
Oh. So 1 second.
Rishita, you have already solved the question number 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Siddhika, any answer? Will you be able to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm waiting. Just let me know if you have any doubt. Rishita, any answer for 9?
So C.
C is the answer. Very good. Siddhika, any answer?
I sent them in chat, sir.
9C. Oh, very good. Both of you. Go for the next question. Both of you are correct. This question. Just wait for a few minutes.
Sir, I don't know how to do the 10th question.
Okay, you are not able to solve the question number this 27, right?
No, sir, the 10th one. Try it on guess.
Oh, 10th one. Okay, okay. Who has given the answer for question number 10? And that is Siddhika. Okay, Siddhika, let me check the answer. Question number 10. That's D. D is not the right answer. It's wrong. Slightly, you made a mistake in calculation. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you. First of all, number of
Sorry, my option was B.
yeah,
I
and you
accidentally
had
wrote B.
okay, you had written D. That's why I told you.
Yes,
So
sir.
basically, B is the right answer. Okay, Rishita, focus here. Number of mole is already given, and that is your 0.1 mole. So you can see how to calculate molecules, number of molecules. Number of molecules will be equal to number of mole into Na. And number of mole is 0.1 into Na. Na is 6.02 into 10 raised to the power 23. So this is your number of molecules. This is your number of molecules. Are you getting my point? Rishita, Siddhika? Okay, Siddhika, you have already solved it. Now to calculate number of atoms, you can see here that it is triatomic. That means it has 3 atoms in a single molecule. So you just need to multiply. How you will calculate number of molecules? It will be how you will calculate number of atoms. Number of atoms is equal to number of molecules into number of atoms. What does this number of atoms means? You can see both are contradicting. Basically, this is the total number of atoms in a mole, and this is the number of atoms present in a molecule. Like it is triatomic. So A3, if I have written, that means it has 3 atoms. Are you getting my point, Rishita?
Yes, sir.
So tell me how many number of atoms present here? Total number of atoms, H2SO4, 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur and 4 oxygen. Total number of atoms 7. So if you want to calculate the number of atoms after calculating the number of moles and molecules, what you need to do? Number of molecules into number of atoms, and number of atom is 3. So you just need to multiply it and you will get this answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think it's clear to both of you, right? Okay, go for the next one. 27. Will you be able to solve this question number 27?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just wait a minute. I just got it. I'm gonna paste it here. Very good, Siddhika. Rishita. Basically, Rishita, there is a small formula about this, which you can easily solve it. I'm going to show you. Whenever isotopes mass is
Yes,
given,
sir. Average
yeah,
atomic.
very good, very good, very good. Both of you are correct. How is this? Yasir, am I audible? You joined so late. Yasir. Let me know if you are not able to solve this. Oh, there is power cut off, so I will not be visible. Is there any doubt in this question number 28?
No, sir.
Okay. So the answer that both of you have sent is, yeah, Rishika, it's good. And also Siddhika, both of you are right about the question. Go for this question. Only it plays with the sentence or the words gram molecule. Do you know what is gram molecule? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, please do solve it. Both of you are aware of the significant figures? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Any answer for question number 29?
Sir, I don't know how to do it.
I don't have.
I don't know how to do it. Question
Okay,
29.
it's very easy. Do you know what is this gram atoms or gram molecules? Basically, this gram molecules is your number of moles. It says number of moles. It is very old. We say it. Gram molecule is basically moles. You need to calculate moles. So how do you calculate moles if number of particles are given or number of molecules are given? So number of gram molecules of oxygen in this number of gram molecules, you just need to calculate the number of moles. So number of moles is given number of particle or molecules divided by Avogadro number. So what it will be, you can see this and this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. So the answer is 10 moles, which means 10 gram molecules. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Just wait a minute. Did I do something wrong?
Sir, but how are you getting 10 when you first?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Just let me check my calculation. Given number of particle is this upon Avogadro number. We need to calculate number of gram molecules of oxygen. Okay. Now see, you know how to calculate number of moles, right? Yes or no? Given
Yes,
number of
sir.
particle upon Avogadro number. So this is the number of gram molecules of CO, because the number we used, this is the molecules of CO. So we calculated gram molecules of CO. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point? So you
Yes,
can
sir.
use it like this, 10 gram molecules, or you can write 10 gram atoms of oxygen will be equal to, since we need to write the gram molecules of oxygen. So 10 gram atoms of oxygen will be equal to 5 gram atoms or 5 gram molecule of O2, 5 gram molecule of O2. Since you can see for one oxygen, it is 10 gram. So for a molecule in which two oxygen is involved, so you need to divide it and you will get 5 gram molecule of oxygen. This 5 gram molecules. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. I
Please
understood.
do write it. Yes, yes, Siddhika or Rishita. 10 moles of CO will be equal to 10 gram atoms of oxygen, and that will be equal to 5 gram molecules of O2. That is divided by 2 basically. Let me know when you are done with this. Any answer? Rishita? Very good, Rishita. And what about you? Siddhika.
1 second, sir. I'm calculating.
Okay, please do it and let me know the answer. Are you aware of this, what we say, stoichiometry? This question is based upon stoichiometry. Let me know.
No, sir.
But if you have studied the first chapter.
Sir, I was not there for the first chapter in my school.
Okay, okay. Then I will explain. Just wait a minute. Siddhika, will you be able to solve the question? But where?
No, sir. Question number 2.
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna explain this. Okay. Let me know. Siddhika, are you done with this? Okay, okay.
Yes,
Previous question. Are you done with this?
15th one. Yes, sir. I got D.
D. Very good. The answer is D. Okay. Moving to the next question, which is very important, and I will be giving you. I'm just going to write the topic here, which from which I'm going to give you questions, and you just revised it and do some questions at home so that you'll be able to solve more and more questions. The first topic I'm going to give you is a stoichiometry. So please read about it. A stoichiometry, limiting reagent, which is very important. Limiting reagent. And are you aware of concentration term? Yes or no? Both of you, concentration
sir.
term, like haven't you studied mole fraction, molarity? You both of you?
Yes, sir. Concentration
Okay.
term, yes.
You haven't studied, right?
No, sir. I know concentration terms, but I don't know the limiting reagent.
Okay. And Rishita, are you aware of mole fraction, molarity, molality, weight by weight percent?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Siddhika, have you studied the first chapter completely?
Yes, sir. I just forgot. I have to revise it. I remember now.
Okay, very good, very good. So please do revise that. Now I'm gonna give you this. Okay, let me know. I'm gonna ask you a question. Do you know how to prepare ammonia? Haber's process, what does it say? When nitrogen react with hydrogen in the presence of some catalyst, iron and all, that will give you ammonia NH3. Is that clear? This is how we write the reaction of the formation of ammonia. Now you need to balance it. Since you can see 3 hydrogen is there, so I'm going to make it 6 and I'm going to write it 2 here so that nitrogen and hydrogen both will be balanced, right? Yes or no? Please do let me know.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you tell, and there is one, can you tell me the stoichiometric coefficient of hydrogen? You know, in maths, when I ask you, what is the coefficient of xq? The coefficient of xq is 2. So the multiplied or constant number that is multiplied in a variable, that number, that constant number is your coefficient. And in chemistry, we call it stoichiometric coefficient. So you can see 3 is the stoichiometric coefficient of H2, 2 is the stoichiometric coefficient of NH3, and 1 is the stoichiometric coefficient of N2. Are you getting my point? Please do
Yes,
respond.
sir.
Now see how we say it. Basically, in terms of mole, I call it, you know that nitrogen is reacting with hydrogen. But this stoichiometric coefficient tells us about the moles. So this means 1 mole of N2 reacts with 3 mole of hydrogen, 3 mole of hydrogen, and this arrow shows what it gives basically how you will read the reaction. Nitrogen is reacting with hydrogen to give ammonia. So in the same way, 1 mole of N2 reacts with 3 mole of hydrogen, and for this arrow I'm going to write it to give 2 moles of ammonia. Are you getting my point? After balancing equation, you can write this. For different equation, it will be different moles. Now in the question it has been asked, basically you can see the number of moles of hydrogen molecule. Basically we need to calculate the number of moles of hydrogen to produce 20 moles of ammonia. Now you have two molecules that is given in the question, so you need to concentrate on both of them only, both of them. In the question it has been discussed about hydrogen and ammonia. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now after balancing the equation like I did and writing this whole sentence about 1 mole of N2 reacts with 3 mole of H2 to give 2 moles of NH3, what you need to do, only think about this. What does it say? It says 3 mole of H2 will give you 2 mole of NH3. NH3, yes or no? Yes or no? Can I write this? You don't think, you don't need to think about nitrogen, because in the question there is nothing that is, it is not necessary actually. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now, in the question, it has been said that 20 moles of ammonia. So I'm just going to reverse this. It is just like no, what we say, unitary method. Unitary method. Like, you know, in 5 rupees, if you are getting 10 chocolates, then in 20 rupees, how many chocolates you will get. So in the same way, I'm just going to reverse this. I'm going to write 20 moles of NH3 we got from 3 moles of H2, 3 moles of H2. Now I'm going to write for 1 mole of NH3, how many moles of H2 you will get? 3 by 2 moles of H2. Now, in the question, it has been said that 20 moles of NH3 produce, 20 moles of NH3 produce. So how many moles of H2 required? What you need to do? 3 by 20 into 20 moles of H2. It's very simple. Now, how many moles you need to require of H2? 30 moles of H2. Are you getting my point? So in mole concept, it's the concept is very easy. At the end, you need to apply the unitary method. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please do write it. Mm.
Done, sir.
Okay, so this is it for today. I'll see you in the next class, and add as I have written here the topics from which I'm gonna uh, give you a question in the next class is very easy. Limiting the agent is a very little topic.